this is the light I have brought from Amazon. It has one micro USB charging port and foam to stable from cycle. We can attach band on it. So on it we have to press the button for a long time. There are multiple colors and three ways. First will be only light, then small blinking, and then the light will on be always. To change the color we have to click that button. So I will show it on the darkness, so it is visible, and it is for cycle and adventuring purpose also. We have to press the button to change the colors. So it has yellow color, light blue color, pink color, and many more other colors are there. Blue also, pink and red also, all colors are in same manner, but their modes is also same. It is also have the red color which you can see now, and many more colors you can purchase. Sometimes it will come only in red and blue color. So uh, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment.